In this video, we are going to see how to download and install ATEM software for your PC. You can go to blackmagicdesign.com and you can directly jump into the support page of Blackmagic Design, and there is a product family. You can see a lot of latest updates available over here. So we need ATEM Switchers. You can just select ATEM Switchers and you can see the latest update over here. It's 12th April 2024, and if you want to hit read more, you can hit read more and see what's new in all these switches, and you can just download. I'm using a macOS, so I'm just downloading my macOS software. You can just go ahead and download only. So now this will download, and it is like you can save it wherever you want. It is like a software. It is not going to go directly into your ATEM switcher. You have to install in your system. Then you need to upgrade via that install software. So now let's wait for it to download. So I have this DMG. I can just install ATEM 9.4. It's very simple, like a regular installation only. You can just continue, password. So the installation is complete. I can hit close. I can move this to bin or keep. ATEM setup. I have an ATEM SDI Extreme ISO, and I'm just going to connect it through my USB-C right now, C to C, and when I connect it, you can see the switcher popping up in my ATEM setup. So now to check whether it has an upgrade, you can just select this, and if there is an update, it will show you whether it has an update or not. Otherwise, it is not going to showcase for you. You can open the ATEM software control, continue, and you have your ATEM software control in your laptop. So for more videos like this, please follow Video Doctor, and we will be coming up with more products about broadcast, film, and AV technologies.